I've been cruising now full time for 6 months, and the majority of my cruises have been free on casino deals. Free as in the cruise itself is free, but I pay the port fees and taxes. And I just sailed on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas, and I wanted to see if I could get them to pay for the port fees and taxes. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. Hey y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Linnell. I sold everything and now I live on cruise ships full time. Follow me on my journey from poverty to paradise. I started this cruise out by checking my free play in the casino, and I had $83. This machine here is currently my favorite machine. I've been finding that for whatever reason, these machines have been loose on a lot of the cruise ships lately. So if you're cruising, you might want to check those out. But I'm not promising, because the cruise ships can change which machines are loose and which ones are tight at any time. But currently, this is my favorite slot. I didn't put any cash in the machines. In the first machine that I played, I used $10 of my free play, and I cashed out at $13.25. In the second game that I played, I put $20 of free play in the machine, and I cashed out at $199.99. Independence. I got it again. Let's see what it does this time. play this. Oh well, my machine went cold. Over 100 spins. I only got 12 points. I cashed out at $199.99. After that, for whatever reason, I wasn't feeling the casino anymore, so I took my vouchers and headed back to my cabin. All right, so from $30 in casino comps to $13.24 so far. All right, so I don't know what this is for, but room service just brought me some compliments of the chef. I asked her what it was for, and she just said compliments of the chef. We don't know why I got it, but this will be a nice little break for me. I'm gonna enjoy this. Looks like lots of people are getting. Is it for everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone on the ship is getting it?
Everyone on the ship is getting it.
Wow. That's pretty cool. The next day I went back down to the casino to finish using up my free play, and I ran into the two casino hosts. Wait, say your names again.
Jane and Daisy.
Oh, easy names, Jane and Daisy. Okay. Oh, you just spelled different. Okay. They explained to me that Royal Caribbean has changed its point system. They changed the different rewards for each point level. If you do a quick Google search of Royal Caribbean casino points, you can see what their previous rewards were compared to what they are now. The number of points is not the same, apples for apples, but in my opinion, what they have now is better than what there was before. For instance, at 400 points, you only got the $100 off as a reward. Now you can get the $100 off of a future cruise. In the past, there was no bonus for 400 points. Now, if you book a future cruise while you're still on the ship, you get a free cruise and a discount for someone else who's in the stateroom with you. The amount of the points are very different, but if you look at 6,500 last time compared to 6,500 this time, before it was only a balcony cabin, now you can get a balcony cabin or a junior suite, depending on which cruise you pick. At 6,500, the amount of free play is the same as it was before. I've said in my videos before, I stick to a budget when I go to the cruise casinos, just like I would on a land casino. If you're not careful, you can spend way too much money trying to get a free cruise where you could just go and buy the cruise yourself. The main thing for me is to just enjoy the casino as a form of entertainment, and if you happen to get a discount on a future cruise or a free cruise in the future, that's icing on the cake. Cheers for the game. Okay. How much do I have left? I got 53 left. I will put, this is only 30 cents, $10 on this game. $10, there we go. All right. The third machine that I played, I put $10 free play in the machine and cashed out at $10.06.
What's it called, like housing space? Yeah, right, exactly.
We have 43, so 20.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. They're smart. They know what they're doing.
Okay. Press any physical
Yeah,
key.
dude. We get out of the street, dude, and then it's like
I got $20. The fourth machine that I played, I put in $20 of free play and cashed out at 74 cents. The fifth machine that I played, I put in $20 free play and cashed out at $14.80. In that same machine, I put my last $3 of free play in it and cashed out at $9.95. So yeah, that was my experience using up my $83 in free play. The cruise itself cost $143 and the gratuities were $18.50 times 5 days. That came to $92.50. So my overall cost for the cruise was $236. As you can see from my vouchers, I left with $248. So yes, in this case, Royal Caribbean paid for my entire cruise. So in the end, it worked out for me. Royal Caribbean paid for my entire cruise, the port fees, the taxes, the gratuities, everything. Not only did I get a free cruise, but I also got to play my favorite slots and some other slots as well. I don't play in a casino on every cruise that I take, but I did it this time, of course, because I have free play, so you don't want to let that go to waste. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out these videos up here. I talk about my full-time travels, living on a cruise ship, living on a budget of $2,500 a month, and just overall trying to find paradise on a budget. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next cruise. So I'm on Allure of the Seas, and they have the regular casino, and they also have this non-smoking casino. I'm not really planning to play in the casino, but look y'all, I have the entire non-smoking casino to myself. We are currently docked in Perfect Day at Coco Cay. I'm not getting off the ship. And again, I'm not planning to play in the casino, but I'm going to check and see if I have any free play. If I have free play, of course, I'm going to play with that. Let's check it out. No free play, but I always get $8 because I'm diamond. All right, my $8 is on the machine now. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, see if we win anything. Oh well, we didn't win anything. $2.45. Let's do 3 more spins. One more spin. Nope, that's it. Thanks for playing. Have a good day. I'm not going to put any cash in. Not really wanting to spend anything in the casino, so that's it. I'm done for this cruise.